What's the vlog? It's a video. I mean a vlog. 119 vlog. A vlog is like a vlog, but it's a video. Today, a friend of mine told me I had an interesting life and I should start vlogging. So welcome to my interesting life. I got a new kitchen. You want to see? Okay, let me show you around. This is where I eat and paint, sometimes at the same time. Oh, the paintings. Here's what I make when I eat and paint. It's a burger. Those right, I mean left, is my first painting ever. I also just wanted to make the food now, but I think I most of it off. Besides it's smudge. But I think it adds to the artistic value. This is a picture of an underwater snake. He's friendly. Now this is a picture. It's a dog. I think I forget. Over here is just a picture of somebody. It's a picture of Mr. Wigman. Here's a real, by the way. I made him up. Now this is my masterpiece. Such great. I mean, by just looking at it. The bearded sun. What do you think he's thinking about? To me, he's thinking about why that building is there, or maybe he's looking at the road and asking, why is it brown? What is it made out of? Should I even be here? I was thinking how much an art gallery would pay for this. Do you guys think I should? Grandmother says it's priceless, so I don't think any art gallery will have enough money. But I might try. It's flying through a galaxy. Woo! I need that, by the way. Oh, and here's my laptop. The background picture of my cat. Wait, I didn't show you guys my cat yet. Rembrandt. Have you seen Rembrandt? There you are. Meow. Don't eat it. Don't eat the pizza. Okay. I feel very sick. This is Violet. This is Rembrandt. Meow. Don't touch the plug, man. Meow. Don't forget don't touch my song, Mills. Meow. Most sophisticated action figure ever out for the most brilliant movie ever. I didn't show you guys my song, Mills. Oh, no, wrong one. So, it's going to, well, here's a poster of him, the greatest superhero ever. I'm making a new one, and I hope to see the teaser trailer for the trailer soon. Maybe I can vlog my reaction to it. Well, everybody, I had a great time showing you my interesting life. And well, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Oh, almost forgot to explain. I know it seems strange, but the Code Bunny is allowing me to upload these vlogs to his YouTube channel because it already has some subs. So, I thought that was a good idea. Well, say goodbye, Rembrandt. Say goodbye. Oh. Well, goodbye.